Hi. 1 second, please. I know you don't care how I look. I don't really either. Yes, character. Character! Okay. Hello and welcome back. Welcome to happy hour. That shit's corny. Day 4 of happy hour, simultaneously day 16 of quarantine. And you know, after 16 days, I was like, you know, I think today's the day to do something I haven't done in 16 days that I normally do all the time, which is watch the sunrise. My apartment faces directly west, killer sunsets, but I can't see the sunrises. So I always have to walk somewhere to see it. So I wake up the usual time. I put on my usual clothes. I walk my usual ass right to my usual spot, expecting to watch the sunrise like I usually do. I take my usual first 6 steps into the park, and then some fucking mall cop, more of a park ranger, I guess is what his vehicle technically said. Fucking park ranger pulls up behind me, turns on every last goddamn light, every last goddamn siren in his whole damn car, gets over the loudspeaker and is like basically telling me to get the fuck out of the park. I'm like, sir, it's 6:30 in the morning. Leave me the fuck alone. Also, bro, turn your sirens off. Turn the lights off. Roll down your window and say, hello, the park is closed. To which I would respond, hello. Okay, stay healthy. Thanks. But it's okay. First time of the history of this series, someone actively attempted to derail my happiness. And it almost worked. But then I was like, oh, I should do something today that is sunrise or sunset inspired. So I'm gonna do 2 things. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch YouTube videos about the science of sunrise and sunset, because I always wanted to understand more about how... If my shirt's been messed up this entire time, I'm gonna absolutely flip. It definitely was. I'm so mad. Anyway, like, I'm obsessed with them. And when people are like, are you obsessed with them? I want to be like, yeah, I'm obsessed with them. Do you want to know everything I know about them? And I can't do that if I don't know anything. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a sunset mural on one of my walls out of sticky notes. I mean, talk about great ideas. Crazy enough, I've never made pictures or anything out of sticky notes, which I'm sure shocks everyone, but tonight's our fucking night. This is definitely gonna take me more than an hour, but I can handle it. Hopefully this is enough sticky notes. But if not, I always have a backup stash, so let's get into it. Okay. Definitely gonna use this wall right here. I mean, for now it's just a big pink wall, but first layer is done. It's a light purple layer. My feet already hurt. Found my way into some sneakers so that I can do this more reasonably. Also, look at this. I'm watching a sunset while making a sunset. And that might be the coolest thing I've ever done. You mall cop, you didn't steal my happiness. Park ranger bullshit. Alright, it's not perfect, but I ran out of supplies. Ran out of tape, ran out of purple. Bummer. Well, my floor has definitely felt the pain of this. And my chair, and my bed. Oh my gosh. Okay, day 4 happy hour, we're done. This was much more than an hour. This was about 4 hours, but kind of cute, right? What day 4 happy hour has made me realize is that having a happy hour ritual is going to allow me to actualize so many more ideas that I have. So many more things that I wanted to do and just never felt like I had a specific space in my life or my schedule for them. I'm just... I feel like I'm gonna get more done. I'm gonna have more fun. I just like this ritual. Yay. Yay. And I already have like the next 3 days planned and I'm getting excited. Obviously, who knows how long we're gonna be in quarantine, but I plan to do happy hour as often as I can. I got some funny stuff coming up, so if you wanna stay tuned, you should. And you can do so by clicking subscribe, then clicking the bell button, turning on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Anyway, I'm gonna go drink like 6 gallons of water. This was good though. I'm happy. I'm just mellow. Bye.